Hello, little artists! Are you ready for another fun drawing today? Today, we are going to draw a cute computer printer. Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a rectangle on top. This will be the top paper. Now draw the top part of the printer under the rectangle. Next, draw the lower part of the printer. Great job so far! Now draw another rectangle at the bottom. This is the printed paper. Let's make it cute. Draw a heart shape on the top paper. Draw another heart on the bottom paper. Now draw the buttons on the top right part of the printer. Finally, draw two cute eyes and a smiley mouth on the printer.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. Let's say the colors together while coloring. Red color.
Wow!
Pink color.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Cream color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Pest color. Purple color. Amazing coloring, everyone! You did a fantastic job today, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next fun drawing lesson on Toddlers Art Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.